Hi there, and welcome back to Simple Recipe ASMR. Today, we're making the most delicious yet incredibly easy crispy meat rolls. Let's look at our ingredients. First, some minced meat, 1 egg, and a good pinch of salt, a small yellow onion, and a generous twist of freshly ground black pepper to really bring out all those savory flavors. Next, our thin flatbread. This is the perfect base for our rolls, giving them that wonderful, satisfying crunch. And finally, some ordinary sunflower oil for frying our rolls to a beautiful golden brown. Now let's make our filling. Right into the bowl with our minced meat, we're going to sprinkle a generous pinch of salt and crack 1 fresh egg right on top. Add a good dash of freshly ground black pepper. Now, take a small yellow onion and grate it directly in. It's a simple trick to make sure the meat stays nice and juicy and the flavor is evenly spread. Now, grab a fork and mix it all together thoroughly until everything is perfectly combined. Now, let's move on to our flatbread. We are using a classic thin Armenian lavash today. But of course, you can use any type of thin flatbread or tortilla you have available in your local store. Carefully take it out of the package and lay it nice and flat on your cutting board. Take your scissors or a knife and divide it into nice wide strips, just like this. Take your time here. Getting these strips nice and even makes the rolling process so much easier later. Now take a spoonful of our meat filling and spread it into a thin, even layer across the flatbread. Make sure it's not too thick, so the meat cooks perfectly inside. Then, just gently roll it up, nice and neat. Keep going until you've used up all your filling. Just look at this beautiful plate. You get so many of these perfect little rolls from such simple ingredients. Now, they are completely ready for the hot pan. Now for our beautiful crispy coating, crack a couple of eggs into a shallow bowl. Add a pinch of salt and whisk them really well with a fork. Turn your stove up to high heat so we don't have to wait long, and place your frying pan right on top. Pour a good splash of sunflower oil or any vegetable oil you prefer right into your hot pan. Now carefully take your meat rolls and dip them into the egg wash. Make sure they are fully coated on all sides and gently place them into the sizzling oil. While they sizzle and fill the kitchen with that amazing aroma, turn the heat down just a bit. This is a crucial step to ensure the meat filling cooks perfectly and stays juicy, without burning our beautiful golden crust. Once they're beautifully golden and crispy, gently flip them over to the other side. Just look at that incredible mouth-watering texture. It's exactly what we're looking for. And we're finally done. Take them out of the pan and let them rest for a moment. These rolls pair beautifully with some classic ketchup, or you can level up your meal by serving them with a fresh, crunchy salad and some creamy mashed potatoes. Take a moment to plate it up nicely. Add a little garnish, and honestly, you've got a Michelin star meal right in your own kitchen. Just kidding, but it really does look and taste that good. Thanks for watching. If you liked this recipe, please leave a like and subscribe for more ideas. Rate these rolls from 1 to 10 in the comments. We have many more easy recipes for you. See you next time.